What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, man. Giving out good content to the channel. Man, make sure you go like and share the video, man. Make sure you smash that subscribe button as well to be notified every time we post a video, man. The video today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna install these shark diffusers. So it's gonna be it's called shark rear diffuser, whatever. So I want to say something real quick, man. The reason for my channel as well, man. The reason I do this is because a lot of people say they're car guys and stuff, but a true car guy is what I am. I can work on the car and also mod it myself, so anything under the hood I can do myself. And also I can install all this other stuff, man, decals, anything you can think of. You see the works on the channel, man, just regardless. You see all the works. So if you're new to the channel, if you ain't new to the channel, man, go down and scroll down, man, you're gonna see the works for itself. So I do it all myself. I don't have nobody else to do it unless I literally cannot do it. But other than that,
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss. The Lord coming back, but my homie, he's stuck in the trap.
So, this kit comes with 4 shark fin rear diffusers. So they go on the bottom, rear of your bumper. It comes with the screws as well. All you literally need is a drill, or you can use a screwdriver. Nothing too hard, you know what I'm saying? As you know me, once again, I get all the parts from eBay, so I think I paid like $12 for those parts. But right here, I'm gonna speed through a little quick. I'm doing it starting from that, starting from one end, and I'm gonna go to the other end. And that's how I'm gonna line everything up. And how I'm angling it now, I always just eye my stuff out, and it only comes out pretty much almost perfect, at least in my opinion. But other than that, just watching through me, just kind of measuring it out, eyeing it out. So once again, pretty simple mod, man. Makes your car look different. It makes this look a lot better. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I'll go see it at the end. Once again, starting on the other end so I can line everything up. So this is why I'm doing it this way. You can do it differently. If you want it out thicker, bigger. This can be on any car, and this is a universal. So, yeah. So I'm starting on that left end, and then you'll be able to put your last 2 pieces in and angle them out right. So that's why I just eye stuff out. Don't get to measure, do anything like that, in my opinion. Really technically it's not made for this car, but you already know me. You do this channel, you can't do this channel, you already know what's up. I'll put 2 more on this here.
listening to a Monster production. You're listening to a Monster production. Listening to a Monster production. You're listening to a Monster production. To a Monster production.
So what I did was put one of my screws in there, one long screw. That's why I always keep extra screws. So all the way down, I got at least one screw. Got this TownCar piece of plastic up there. As you see, I got one little screw just in case. One little screw right there. And the same on that side, one little screw.
listening to a Monta production. Listening to a Monta production.
So let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below, man. I think it look pretty clean, it look different. Like most cars come with that little plastic diffuser. Don't come with the little fins, but come with that black plastic. And obviously the car is versus the color that it is. But I do like it on here. Me and my personal opinion. But make sure y'all comment down below. See if y'all, let me know if y'all like it or not, man. If y'all want to take it off, whatever. I'm not taking it off, but just saying, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the video, man.
Laughing to the bank now. We getting bags no more. Water out the